quiet.
Quiet. Oh no, it flipped over this. I got it.
Oh.
Oh no.
Crap.
Someone's gonna have to go out.
I'm gonna have to go swim for that.
No. Can I go? I wanna go. Yeah, I wanna go.
Hey Polly, want to say anything to the camera? Yeah, it just flipped over.
Let's go.
15 minutes later, and we're almost to the shore. Wind has now shifted direction. We are going farther out. Oh, poop. We will check back in 15 minutes. Here comes Steve with his bathing suit. He's gonna swim out in the freezing cold pond to get his boat. This is gonna be funny.
Fishing for boats.
There you go, right there.
We got 42 seconds of run time, 40 minutes of waiting for the boat to get to shore.
They got this. I just don't want to go real fast.
Could you actually cheer?
Next time I'm driving.
No, just
Oh, come on, Mike. Come on, I never get to drive. What happened?
There we go.
okay. We're about for the second launch.
Number 2.
The maiden launch didn't go so well.
Maiden. It wasn't a maiden launch, it was a maiden flop.
Yeah, that's a maiden voyage if you don't want to be on.
That's what it is. You see all those purple things?
Dadgum, that thing about to jump out of the water.
Oh, he has the hang of it now. Look at that. I didn't get it. Hey, you'll flip it, buddy.
Pop that trigger like you were doing a while ago. Make it jump out.
See, it's just about flipped.
Get the hang of it when you go out, man. Uh-oh.
Water.
Did it quit?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
That didn't sound too good.
No, it didn't.
But the whole time you ran right here, the second you turned out far, it stopped.
Yeah, it sounds like something's messing up.
Maybe the drive shaft came undone?
I don't know.
Okay, from our sideline reporter.
Alright, I just smoked the speed control. You see it burn up. I probably smoked the battery too. Somehow water got in there and I didn't know it.
Oh, I got your foot.